Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn capital alphabets A to Z. Okay, let's introduce these some color pencils. These are all the color pencils: red color, yellow color, green color, grey color, brown color, blue color, pink color, sky blue color, green color, purple color, orange color and black color. Okay, let's draw the alphabets. Black color: A for ant. Purple color: B for bat. B for bat. Green color: C for cat. Orange color: D for dance. Blue color: E for elephant. Sky blue color: F for fly. Pink color: G for gum. Yellow color: H for hen. Brown color: I for independence. Red color: J for jam. Black color: K for kingdom. Light green color: L for lion dates. Grey color: M for monkey. Red color: N for nest. Black color: O for oxygen. Pink color: P for pen. Sky blue color: Q for queen. Yellow color: R for rose. Purple color: S for sunflower. Orange color: T for thunder. Blue color: U for umbrella. Green color: V for van. Orange color: W for wonder. Brown color: X for xerox. Orange color, Y for yellow. Sky blue color, Z for zebra. Let's learn A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T V W X Y Z. Okay, bye kids.